The exam of getting in shape has never been simple for anybody. There are different things that one needs to integrate into their everyday daily practice to see compelling outcomes. From following a legitimate wellness routine to an eating regimen loaded up with supplement-rich food sources, there is a ton that one needs to do. Assuming you're somebody who is as of now attempting to get in shape, you should be continually on the chase after recipes that give nourishment without settling for less on taste. All things considered, nobody appreciates food that preferences dull and exhausting, regardless of whether you're on a weight reduction diet. Fortunately, we are honored to have a wide assortment of Indian dishes that make for a phenomenal expansion to a weight reduction diet. Dalia is one such dish that is known to be very compelling for this reason. Discussing its medical advantages, nutritionist Shilpa Arora makes sense of, Dalia makes for an incredible option for those on a weight reduction diet. You can tidy it up by adding various veggies like carrots, peas, tomatoes, and capsicum. This will assist you with remaining satisfied for a more extended time frame. One could likewise add nuts and seeds to the porridge, which can likewise assist with supporting the skin as well as helping weight reduction. Bajra Dalia. We as a whole know that bajra is a magnificent wellspring of fiber. Counting this bajra dalia in our weight reduction diet can be very useful as it advances a sensation of satiety. This implies you won't feel those less than ideal cravings for food that lead to pigging out. It is incredibly healthy and can be appreciated for lunch or supper. Likewise, it pursues an extraordinary decision for individuals with gluten narrow-mindedness. Click here for the recipe for Bajra Dalia. Cereal Dalia. Are you somebody who likes to begin their day with a bowl of oats? In the event that indeed, this oats dalia is certainly worth an attempt. It is low in calories, needs just 3 fixings to make, and will be prepared in just shy of 20 minutes. In this way, feel free to take a stab at making a bowl of cereal dalia for you and watch your kilos drop quicker. Click here for the recipe for oats dalia. Veg masala dalia. Many individuals could do without the flavor of dalia, as they think that it is dull and exhausting. On the off chance that you also fall into this class, now is the ideal time to give it a masala hard-bend with this vegan masala dalia recipe. Besides the fact that slime's flavors is, however, the expansion of veggies like carrots, peas, and beans further expands its supplement content. Thinking about how to make it? Find the total recipe for veggie lover masala dalia here. Chicken oats dalia. Next up, we present to you a delightful dalia recipe that is made utilizing oats and chicken lumps. It is really high in protein content and makes for a great expansion to a weight reduction diet. Trust us, when you evaluate this dalia, you'll wind up returning to it over and over. Prepare this dish at whatever point you want to have something straightforward and consoling. Find the total recipe for chicken oat dalia here. Dalia pongal is a customary dish from South India made with rice and moong dal. In this recipe, wheat rua and green gram dal are utilized, all things being equal, and strain cooked with flavorful masalas. Being wealthy in fiber and protein, this dalia pongal is great for those attempting to shed kilos. It tastes best when served hot and matched with some chutney. We're certain you'll totally adore it. Click here for the recipe for dalia pongal. Hi. In the event that you partook in this